driving a wedge between all of mankind. Forever you're searching for more victims to die. I am coming for you. I will punish all of you. I will enslave everyone. You will praise me for it too. President Puppethead. You lie to their faces while stealing their souls. Then off to the races, make them pay the toll. I am coming for you. I will punish all of you. I will enslave everyone. You will praise me for it too. President Puppethead. Them salvation for their sinless souls. They need redemption. Your lies are exposed. I am coming for you. I will punish all of you. I will enslave everyone, and you will praise me for it too. President Puppethead.